Testing of Hyundai HGN25 air circuit breakers. The basic settings will be set by the customer. For testing, we use 220-volt AC power supply. First we trip the breaker manually. Then we trip the breaker with the help of the UVT. Next we perform a short time delay test and the breaker trips almost instantly. And lastly we perform a long time delay test. And after about 15 seconds the breaker trips. The process is repeated for the other I/O board, using the same operation front module as the previous one. It is now clear that air circuit breakers are working successfully and are ready to be delivered to the client.